Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you repost on Instagram, whether you want to repost a post to your timeline or basically your profile or your stories, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. Now, since we're going to be using the Instagram mobile application, we should go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, and let's make sure from here that we have the Instagram application updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can quit the store. Now let's head out to Instagram. As you can see here, guys, you have to be logged into your account and then find the post you want to repost. So first you could tap on this airplane paper icon right here. So tap on it. And from these options in the bottom, you can go ahead and repost it to your story, or you can swipe right to find more options to repost it to many other platforms, as you can see here, guys. So you can tap on add to story, of course, to repost it to your story. If you want, you can add text from here, or you can swipe up and add music or other options like polls and questions. And once you're done from that, you can swipe down to go back to your story, and you can post it from here. Now, if you want to repost this post to your profile, there is basically no direct option like you would do that on Facebook maybe. So if you even tap right here in the top right corner, there are more options here, but there is no reposting to your profile option. But you can do something about it. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of the post, just like that. You can crop it directly or just crop it later. Anyways, take the screenshot, and then once you're done from that, tap on the plus button in the bottom right here. Will be taken to your gallery. Choose the screenshot you have just taken and then tap on next in the top right corner. Then from here you can add filters if you want. Tap on next in the top right again once you're done, and from here you can tag the owner of the post to make it look like you have reposted it, and then tap on share in the top right corner. And that is basically how can you repost a post on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.